Good morning, everyone. Steve Georgie here from Allendale's Trading Floor. It is June 24th. We are getting closer to that USDA report next Tuesday, so less than a week away. A lot of excitement will be surrounding that report as far as quarterly stocks as well as what happens to acreage numbers. Right now, we've got corn down about 2.5, finishing the overnight session. Beans down about 5.5 cents, and wheat down 3. So we got a little lower start. But as I mentioned, this report coming up, what to expect here as we go into that. Allendale's planning acreage survey results came out yesterday in our webinar, which that webinar can be viewed on our website. So you could see that in its entirety on the website. But to give you some of the numbers that were released from this survey and what to expect. For corn, U.S. farmers look like the numbers that we had gotten, 91.742 million acres. That's a 1.14 million acres more than 2014 last year. But it's an increase of about 2.5 million acres over the March estimates. So because of the planting pace that we had seen, these are some big numbers out of corn. And as far as what we have gotten there, and that's some pretty big totals for next Tuesday. We'll see how that or what happens then. But as far as beans, 85.1 million acres as far as beans. That's a 1.4 million acre increase over last year. And that's about a 470,000 acre increase over March's numbers. So we'll see what happens and as we get closer to this report. Now also for wheat, showing all wheat numbers down about 1.299, so almost 1.3 million acres from last year's numbers as well. So some good stuff there. You could check out that on our webinar from last night. The guys did a great job putting that together, and that's right on our website at allendale-inc.com. We do have rains that are continuing across the Midwest. Now, rains right now are going to be looked at as probably a little friendly. Only because too much rain now, we're seeing that affecting the good to excellent ratings. Even though some areas that needed the rain to stop, well, it has. But now the north is getting a lot of the rain. So we'll see what happens and what kind of rain totals we get here over the next couple of days. But rain right now is being looked at as probably a little friendly. As I mentioned, the grains starting off a little lower. We've got some good support below us as well. But with these estimates out there, we could see a little bit of profit taking with the rally that we've seen as we get closer to that report next Tuesday. As far as livestock, cattle and hogs, probably going to see them open up a little steady this morning. Box beef coming in. Choice $1.09 higher. Select down 7 cents. No bids, no offers yet, and no cash trade. So trade is still expecting about a $2 increase for cash this week. We'll see if we end up getting that for cattle, but that is what they're expecting. Anything less than that will be disappointing this week. Hogs cutout values down $1.87. Probably going to see them continue to shift and try to find some kind of a low in here and try to find some kind of a bottom yet. We need to see this cash market really firm up, but we got a hog and pigs report out on Friday, and we may get a little short covering ahead of that report, but we have seen the charts right now still looking pretty negative with making a new low here once again yesterday. Stock market down 70, crude oil right about unchanged, and we've got the dollar down about 20 cents. So give us a call if you have any questions. You can reach us here at 800-262-7538 or on the web at allendale-inc.com. Hope you guys have a great day out there, and we'll talk to you again tomorrow morning. Take care.